Let's say, did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you? Good morning, guys. Welcome, guys. How are you? Welcome to my live stream. It's been a long time. Uh, I've been so busy with work and then doing a lot of things, so I've not been here for a very long time to stream live and all of that. And I'm happy to be here once again. I'm happy to have you again. I'm happy to come here to talk to my great family here on YouTube. And I'm so sorry I was not able to communicate back to you. Reason being that it was just some kind of stress. What I was trying to put one or two together, so that was why I could not get back to you or tell you. But all the same, I'm so sorry about that. And those of my friends, family who miss my YouTube live streaming, and I believe I will resume, and then I've resumed, and I've resumed fully, So I'll always be here to give us, wonderful time and sit and have a chat together, just, uh, just have a family time because my YouTube people are just like my subscribers, and then sometimes I always say, like I always said, I would really, really appreciate it if you share, if you like, if you comment here. And sometimes it's always good for me to know where you guys are watching me from, and it makes me good. It makes me happy to know that I'm reaching a lot of people around the world. And even if you're watching me in my house, it would be nice and it would be fair for you to just write something on the comment section so that I will know that you are there. And if possible, better still, I will still greet you and then welcome you to my channel. It's very important. And then I, communication is when you are communicating with somebody and the other person is communicating with you, and you both are able to understand each other. So if you are communicating with me, I'm communicating with you, and then we both understand each other. That would be very, very, very nice. And that's what, like I always said, if you're here and you're watching me, and if you don't mind, just write in the comment section. My name is so. You're watching me from this place, from that place, from let me know, because and like this video, guys. Please, let's like and then like this video. You know, I I I I did a poll there and I asked, did anybody miss me? Yeah. Yeah, I said that did anybody miss me, and I'm getting some feedback. Some they are saying yes, some they are saying no. Some they are saying yes, some they are saying no. And I know a lot of people don't miss me because most of them are coming to my live stream for the very first time. And guys, please, I will always appreciate if you are there and then send something in the comment section. You know, it makes me good, it makes me happy when I have people that I'm communicating in the comment section. Oh, Shivan, yeah, I know that you don't know me. You don't know me, so that's what I'm saying. Um, if you're new on my channel, you will not miss me, but a lot of people who have been here on my channel, but who have been here on my channel, they know me, they miss me, but not, like I said, not everybody is gonna miss me. Some will miss, some will not miss me because you don't know me. So you're getting to know me now. So let me introduce myself. This is You're welcome to Shima Variant TV, and where you have a variety of culture, and travel videos and then lifestyle. You know, that's the kind of video you expect this on this channel, nothing more. And sometimes it's not always, can I say, better or good to say a lot of things about yourself, but me, as I'm here, YouTube is my family, and everybody else on my YouTube is part of my family, and I love all my subscribers. Yeah, my subscribers, they are so very important to me, because without them, maybe my channel wouldn't have been this place. Not even maybe, my channel wouldn't have been this place, but because of my subscribers, they like, they comment, they are great people. And to me, I deeply really appreciate all of you guys. Where you're watching from, wherever you are, I really appreciate you. Taking your time sitting here watching my videos or watching me talk, it's something that I should appreciate. So for me, I appreciate you guys, because you are just the best. You're just the best. And sometimes people think that, oh, you are not seeing them, but me, I cannot see you, but I can still feel you. I can still feel the love that you've shown on this particular channel. Because when we started this channel, it wasn't like this, and with time we started growing, and then we got to a point that we are now. And as you all know, every channel will not just start in 10,000 subscribers here. Every channel will always start. Every channel will always start at 1 subscriber. Yeah. Thank you so much. Every channel will always start as 1 subscriber. You have 2, 3, 4. That's how your channel grows. Yeah. And guys, please, if you are here, please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to comment if you have anything that you want to comment. If you have anything that you want to say, please do not forget to comment. So because of what was I saying? What was I saying? It's crazy. I got. Guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Where you watching me from? Let's know. Let's know. Let's know. I don't know. I don't know. There's so many they change. Nobody will not fit to make karma. I don't know. Sometimes I'll be there doing my thing, and anytime I come on YouTube, the next thing I'll start feeling sleepy. I don't know why. Anytime I come on, can what do you call this app? I'm always feeling sleepy. So I don't know. Maybe before I come on YouTube, I need to do some exercise so that when I come, I'll be able to sit for a very long time, so that I can have a conversation with you guys. And you guys are always the best. I really appreciate you guys, because sometimes when you don't appreciate some people, they feel so sad. And to me, I really appreciate you guys. You're just the best. Thank you for always supporting my channel. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for always being there for me. You are just the best. I don't have words, to describe your support. Listen, but better still, you guys are welcome. Just put in my phone and then make use of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.